Hello. We just arrived at the airport here in Las Palmas. We want to learn Spanish in 30 days.
This was November 25th, 2015. We just landed in Gran Canaria. Let's go back in time, just a little. Me and Martin decided to move to Canary Islands for a month. This was back in Amsterdam, where we were working together. We decided that the Spanish islands would be a perfect location to shoot our next online course. Our plan was simple: fly to Gran Canaria and spend the first week in Las Palmas, then travel by ferry to another island, Tenerife, spend some time in Costa Adeje and in Los Cristianos, while we'll be filming in the mountains. Then travel to the north, to Santa Cruz, and travel back to Gran Canaria, only this time to the south, to Maspalomas.
Yo.
Yo, you recording?
Yes.
Yes. We are here in the train, Dutch train. You can see the view here in the Netherlands. We're going to the Canary Islands. Chicas guapas, mwah.
To be honest, we don't have too much footage from the first 2 weeks. I'll explain why in a moment. We spent the first days on cool things, exploring the nightlife, learning the language, dancing salsa with our new friends, but above all, we were just amazed by how amazing the weather was. Traveling is not only about fun, there are challenges as well. This is us, few minutes before we discovered that almost everything we had was stolen from our car, including my laptop, backup drives, and our film footage. My Facebook post from that day starts with, "Always keep smiling." This was a disaster, but we decided to move on. We focused on reshooting everything we lost, and we filmed in some of the most mind-blowing locations. Why do we travel? Good question. But do we actually need a reason?